Plascon's Color Combination 2022. Here are the beautiful colors that, when combined in the 60-30-10 ratio, really make a space come alive. So I plan on using this ratio in this small room and make over the room and turn it into a home office. And I just love the way it turned out. These colors are in harmony and pay homage to the natural African landscape, bringing the simple pleasures of nature inside. To get all the materials and paint that I needed, I popped into my local paint expert store, grabbed all of my paintbrushes and other materials and paints that I needed, selected my colors and my paint finish. Also got expert advice. Now I'm all set to get started on the room. I measured out the space and the surface area and then divided the room into measurements that make up the 60-30-10 ratio. Using the Hamilton Super Soaker to protect the floors, and I have all my tape and roller brushes and paint brushes ready. Let's look at the masking tape. I'm using two different sizes and I'm protecting the skirtings, the plugs, edges of the window, and I made sure all of those are masked. Now I can get to my vertical lines. That's right, I'm doing this study in vertical lines with the colors laying right next to each other, making use of a pencil and a level and then masking those lines. Stirring my paint, and I'm going in with a beautiful paintbrush from Hamilton's, the Enzyme range, which really gives a smooth finish. And I'm cutting in, which makes sure all the corners and the edges are painted first, before I decant more paint into my Vela roller tray. I love using a sponge roller on smaller surface areas, once again giving that smooth paint finish that we're all after. The color that I'm going in with is Pear Fantasy, and that is making 60% of the room. So I'm applying it on the wall that you first see when you walk in, also applying this dominant color to the edges of the space that class as the home office. The next color is Desert Water, and this makes up the 30% of the color ratio in the room, and it's a beautiful calming color which is perfect for a home office. And I'm applying one coat now, allowing it to dry and then applying a second coat. I did this with all my colors, applying two coats and making sure to not go over the edge of the masking tape. The final color in this ratio is 10% of Zanzibar, an anchor color of a rich smoky brown hue. I'm just painting that on as I did the other colors. Now we can reveal the crisp lines by removing the masking tape. This color combination really enhances this space, adding a few decorative items and finishing touches. The color scheme is complete and the room has come together beautifully. Following the 60-30-10 ratio design practice really helped bring this design scheme together and just made it look the part. We hope you give this color combination a try for yourself in your home. Follow us for more home decor inspiration.